Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to the Pepe update today. Today I think is, a good day for Pepe. And I think whatever bad movement you had with Pepe is now coming to an end, completely going to be the end of the downtrend. There's so many things that are now showing that Pepe is about to get back up. Number one is, again, move down and a move to the upside. Very, very clear bullish divergence, clear as the moon. So I don't think bullish divergences like this disappoint ever. They actually are legit piece of information to tell you that this is about to get a little bit of reversals. Number two is that we almost like an inverse head and shoulder on the 1 hour time frame that can actually pop up and go back up to 13,000. That's also something that I'm looking forward to, especially now that you have the trend line. So you may look at a trend line like this. You just need to break above the neckline itself. Break the neckline, you're good to go, and push to the upside. Now, another thing is, again, on the 4 hour time frame, it also looks really, really delicious here with move down, move up. Again, the RSI still shows that things are really cool. If you go on the daily and you look at the daily, you are making a reversal candles, so almost like a tweezer bottom you've just created with this red here and the green right next to it. It means reversal to the upside. I may say Pepe should not come below 10363 now. Okay, all right. I think coming down here can be a problem if it's not a wick, but if you come down and close below here, that can actually be a huge problem. And the last piece of evidence that we have now is that we already have the lower support trend line, and this is your resistance line. So the maximum time it's going to take is until 25th of June. Today is 16, so 9 more days until the final break that is about to happen. So it may be a little bit boring for the next 5 days. We may move sideways like this, but eventually my personal take is break above and maybe even just move back up to the all-time high. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.